Bye to your train. Have fun.
Stayed a little longer. What happened? Obviously, it's all ripped to shreds. But, I mean, it has a Oh yeah, they have the kiosk now for Fastlane. I forgot about that. That was also a new addition.
Yeah, so there's somebody here. Let's go second to last. Let's go second to last.
Welcome back. How's that ride? Amazing. Come on, buckle that seatbelt, exit out to the right. Have a good day. Keep silent.
That's another thing they didn't have when I was here. They didn't have a street.
Come on, morning riders. Quickly, quickly.
Yeah, I really. You should also see where the boat is under the restaurant down here. That big square in the where the fence kind of goes in. That used to be one of the footers for the Sky Ride. That used to be here. It would have gone straight across there, so where Cargo Loco and Banshee's drop was, that would have been one of the stations for the Sky Ride. One of the stations is actually still standing too. I'll show you that on the other side.